The Kelen Tokchom Trust KTT observed the 61st birth anniversary of Kelen Tokchom at Sagolban Tera Tongbram Laikai in Imphal today. The media advisor to the Chief Minister, editors, senior journalists, representatives of Youth Forum and Mera Paibi of Tera Tongbram Laikai, KTT members and family members of the late senior journalists were present during the observation, paying floral tributes to the departed soul at the memorial statue of the late journalist, presentation of certificate and a soul to Kelen Tokchom Media Fellowship KTMF recipient journalist Angel Lalima of the Sangay Express were the main highlights of the observation. President Tongbram Pisak of Youth Forum Tera Tongbram Laikai also spoke on the occasion, while third KTMF recipient journalist Lalima shared her experiences and findings in the compiling her comprehensive reports on the challenges and opportunities of urbanization in Manipur. Giving the keynote address, Secretary of the KTT Sobabati Samom said the KTMF program was initiated with an objective to enhance the writing skills of the journalists in the state in diverse fields. So far, KTMF program was awarded to 4 journalists belonging to different media houses in the state. The sports reporter Haikruzam Sadananda Singh of Pognafam and AST Leland Wi-Fi of Imphal Free Press were awarded the first edition of KTMF program in 2018-2019 to write special stories on prospect of cricket in Manipur. Similarly, the staff reporter Baby Siren of Imphal Free Press was selected for the second edition of KTMF program in 2019-2020 to produce research-based stories on Manipur's dying water resources. In the third edition of the KTMF program 2020-21, journalist Angel Lalima of the Sangay Express was selected. For the first time, the KTT will be inviting applications from the intending TV and print journalists having a minimum of 3 years experience in the journalism to apply for the 4th edition of KTMF program. On the occasion, the KTT announced the fellowship's theme for the year 2021-22 as Vanishing Playfields of the Manipur and its impact on health and sports. The trust invites journalists working both in television and print news media to apply for the 4th edition of Kelen Tokchom Media Fellowship's KTMF on the said theme. 1 journalist each of television media and print media will be selected. The selected journalists must report 6 feature stories each. For television media, the fellowship amount will be Rs 30,000 and for print media, it will be Rs 20,000. The applicants should have 3 years of experience in their respective medium as a reporter, correspondent, contributor of newspaper, periodicals. An application along with biodata, a letter of support from the editor that the output under the fellowship will be published mandatory for all candidates. 1 samples of published report of sport, if any, should be submitted to coordinator KTMF CO Puriromba Enterprises for number 70057069997 Konumangmang Palace Gate near Puriromba Kunang, Imphal East District 795005. Delhi office timing 10 AM to 5 PM except Sunday before December 17, 2021. Original publications of the report will have to be submitted on the completion of the fellowship program. The selection of applicants will be done by a jury of eminent media experts. Selection results will be announced during December end 2021 through the personnel contacts. The selected fellows will be guided by mentors to bring out unique research-oriented reports.